Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our legend, who they call Ian Wright, don't come outside, come they wade in for this Nketiah matter. You know, say Nketiah now at the end of the season, but they find the square root. So Ian Wright when they talk, say Nketiah they miss a perfect opportunity to claim the spot for number 9 for Arsenal, because when you look at the situation, like you say Aubameyang no day again, so not only Nketiah and Lacazette, no, I think that's would they open to giving Nketiah a chance. They try, so okay, can't try this place. Maybe like I said, if you play like 70 minutes, you go enter play like 30 minutes. So can't stay, or maybe in the future, like I said, self-50 go, then you self-50 remain and still take a stake there, but you get to no get that confidence, no get that mind, you get to come take that stake. Say okay, now my sports please make I take am. So if I want run away, go maybe a smaller club or somewhere else with less ambition. So at the Ian Wright when they talk, say the best way Nketiah for do that for just remain for Arsenal. Don't say we all run away. Well, I don't know how I see this advice, because Nketiah self on his own, he would fear say if he still stay for the summer, if Arsenal go recruit some kind senior men in Benjamin, go come longer. So it will make sense. Maybe just go a smaller team when go fit play. Now we take inside the team. So I don't know how I see all these things. At the same time, Kylian don't come outside, can't they praise wheelchair work rates for training. Say, say we share they train like mad, we say like waiting they see for the training. And Baba can just say, what's a player? A pleasure to train with you, my man, my hero. Say we share they play very, very well for training. And this one can they put more pressure on Arteta for those when they talk, say, may then give Wilshere a new contract to get me Wilshere play for Arsenal. Even if not 6 months, even if not 2 months, may the guy shall play. We'll see what if he do. Then if he do very well, we'll not extend them. Not they look saying age, maybe in the 30 years old. You get, we're supposed to get a mixture of youth and experience, youth and old people for the team. Everybody can't be young. So now what many people they clamor for. I don't know what I said before. For those who talk say make Arsenal give Wilshere a new contract. So they see the matter out. On my monetary spirit too, they call the Times. Also don't come outside, when they let us know say Arsenal pay Aubameyang £7 million before they tear in contract to get. Say because to tear that contract of £25 million, we they go pay him over 18 months, easy, you get. So they guys compensate them, you get, they'll get shipping him money. So okay, no, you wanna manage this one. Based on all your side as they go Barcelona, because as they go Barcelona, the guy take a massive pay cut. They said the guy reducing salary gone because Barcelona said no get back. You get so £350,000 when they earn for Arsenal. I'm not waiting they earn for Barcelona. The guy collect lower fee. So now so it just be. At the same time, our monitoring spirit that they call Daily Mail Online don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they plan to spend £180 million for this summer on 3 new stars. And nobody Daily Mail they talk this thing, even Metro self come outside can't talk this thing, even the Sun self talk this thing. All these different monitoring spirit, different people don't put credibility for this story. Say Arsenal won't spend this money, and they can't break down many things we saw for that January transfer window. They say truly, Arteta like Isaac, because the 3 people that want sign out with the summer are Isaac, Dominic Calvert-Lewin, and Ruben Neves. They won't spend big money on these 3 people. So they don't budget £180 million. Then they will spend. Then number 1, Arteta like Isaac. Same be won't sign the guy, but make them hold down for ransom because Real Sociedad talk say they don't want to sell the guy. So it will be a no-brainer to go and break his buyout clause, go pay £70 million you get, because that was his buyout clause. So it no go make sense to go pay that kind of money for January with no guarantees. So they like the player for the summer, they will negotiate normal. You get no ransom, they will negotiate well. Then at the same time, they are going back for Dominic Calvert-Lewin, who they believe is going to be what's that kind of £50-60 million. Then at the same time, they can't go for Ruben Neves. These 3 people now be their priority, now be their main targets for the summer. See they go sign up, because no for the summer they go lose the likes of Lacazette, they go lose the likes of Nketiah, they already lose Aubameyang. So our new striking force, hopefully by the summer, if this thing materialize, our new striking force will be maybe first choice striker Dominic, second choice Isaac, or first choice Isaac, second choice Dominic, or maybe play the 2 with a 4-4-2. We never really know how it will sub. So now for the summer, we will know how they won't buy all this people, because the owner don't sanction and say okay for the summer, because me myself I know say for the summer sign is sure, you get. They don't want to make anybody hold them for ransom, say because we want to panic buy, almost buy, don't break the buy for something. At the end of the day now, we don't come go Europe or don't come play very well, we can't get another paper situation for one hand. So now so it just be so more keep our fingers crossed now. Now after 17 games, everything will materialize. However, Jack Wilshere yourself don't come outside. They thank all Arsenal fans. They thank them for their support. Contact Mikel Arteta for even allowing him to come for Arsenal training, to train with senior men, even though you know they play with them, even though they don't register them for anything. But say don't give them that opportunity. Say don't train, don't they fit. Say no fit thank Mikel Arteta enough. You say with Mikel Arteta said they'll be Pidgin. I don't play before for Arsenal, so the guy they 100% grateful for this opportunity. Well, itself we they happy to have him. On my Italy spiritual they call Mundo Deportivo. Don't come as I call they ask Isaac for media set to say I ain't they see this Arsenal move. We then talk well for rumor for media where you know come materialize. So back on to say I seen like this now, it no go make sense. I mean they know they ask him about another team now. You get so you don't get anything to talk about that and say now agents now they're supposed to go ask say him now they contracted to Real Sociedad, so no expect them to call they talk anything about another team. You get that one self don't give us another edge, another push. Say this guy really they consider to come move, because if they see a player we know they interested and go say oh those were rumor, oh I'm not interested. Oh, you know as the way players they talk they go say nah rumor question that, but the guy say I know nah I'm not supposed to talk for this. No, just give us that kind of morale. Let us say for summer anything can still happen. And I remember when the guy said come for Heathrow Airport, so he won't go do shopping. Somebody come and say, "Come on, join us now." The guy can look, the guy can laugh, or they smile. Well, what do you watch? Fabrizio Romano don't come outside. They let us know say Barcelona don't exclude Dani Alves for their Europa League squad. You know, say I be telling talk say. Barcelona get choice to make. See, they will choose 3 players out of the 4 with they sign, and everybody can fear say make it no be Aubameyang go, but last they can't come out Dani Alves, so they can't put Ferran Torres, then Adama Traore and Aubameyang. Now those 3 then pick ahead of Dani Alves, so those ones go play Europa League. Well, more the watch. Oh my, you're right. I'll come again. We're going to talk about Pepe for AFCON. So we're going to say the Pepe we see for AFCON, because he watch AFCON matches. The Pepe we see for AFCON is different from the Pepe when they play for Arsenal. And the reason we say he can't surprise why Pepe can't flourish, because for that AFCON the defenders they more stronger than all these EPL defenders, because now Africa level now no spaces, no space to let you do tiki taka or anything, and yet Pepe still prosper. Say you know that maybe if Pepe come back to Arsenal, he don't come back now. Maybe Arteta go try use Pepe as a false 9, give him that freedom, making the roam around, because bless now what them do for AFCON, what guy can flourish, they everywhere, they play very well. So you know that Arteta go try that kind of mixture, whether they just give him the freedom to enjoy himself more, know whether he go replicate the AFCON form for inside our team. Well, more to watch now. I'm not saying Pepe said don't come back with zeal, with some kind of ginger, more know whether he go display for us. Uzi don't come outside after I hear say Aubameyang don't move to Barcelona. So Baba come outside and they wish him well. I say all the best, my bro. So many police fans say this one is like one from one outcast to another outcast. You know that's all the best, my bro. Well, you know it makes sense. You know bad. Say good ass. They don't just they on happy spirits. They like to give Aubameyang ginger. Our prayer is make him go there, make him rekindle in form. Make him play very well, because we know say the reason make them come out Aubameyang for Arsenal no be for footballing reasons, not be saying no sabi play again or say no go be capable of scoring, and just disciplinary issues you get. Even now we call the year say for Dortmund they get another disciplinary issues where they there. One player, I don't forget the guy name, where the guy say Aubameyang is an idiot. Now one of his former player, you know the guy that insult Aubameyang, say the guy they do some kind of idiotic behaviors. Say the only reason we make Dortmund coach that year they keep him now because the guy now goal scoring machine. If not, if another person do what they do, because he comes to training late all the time, he will travel, he will come back late. If see another person do that kind of level, they will run pursue him. So that's the thing. Because the guy now goal scoring machine, and probably that's why they don't leave him for Arsenal for long, because now he carry the weight of the team for his shoulders. But as he just stop to carry the team for his shoulder, they don't get any choice than climbing find square roots. Well, it don't happen, we say it don't happen. Go come on mind for Aubameyang, go face front, more look the future is still bright. Even Alan Smith sef, one of our super pundits, don come outside come dey talk say this period now na the perfect opportunity for Martinelli to stake a claim to that number 9 spot. You get say ever since wey dem give this guy chance for that left flank, the guy don take that wing like say na him own. He collect am for Aubameyang hand, he take am, take am confirm say na me get this posi. The guy dey play very well there. Then now the next challenge now na to transition from that left wing to 9. The way Aubameyang take transition from there to 9. Say if Martinelli fit do am, say e go make sense. E go give Mikel Arteta a new dimension to attack. You get only say the downside be say e no go fit get area ball, e no go fit dey cross for am. But say through ball, make him run, collect ball, cha, boah. So that kind of thing, it will make sense. Say Martinelli go fit do am. So more dey watch. And maybe in the future, Arteta will consider am. Who knows? Then at the same time, Ian Wright come outside, come talk, say get question when they ask. You want to know why Arsenal renew Aubameyang contract at the same time after 1 year they come pursue am. E no make sense. So if you know say this guy don dey cause problem for the team, don dey cause problem for training, get many lingering issues wey don dey down, why you come dey renew in contract? That's the question wey dey ask. Say if you no renew in contract, you just pursue am that time, make him dey go. You get, because it makes no sense. Say him sef follow for people dem cause make him follow reason Aubameyang, they make him sign new contract. Say go get legendary status. You follow Aubameyang talk. I say remember that time when the video circulates now. You follow Aubameyang talk because with Aubameyang dey be 5 and 6. You follow Aubameyang talk as a legend wey he don already be. So Aubameyang say he go sign. After the guy sign, 1 year after the signing, I give him big money. Na contract and say make him find square root na 10 contract. Why? Some things dey wey dey sup. People say nobody for outside know. Na only the coach and Aubameyang na dem know wetin really dey happen. And him now, it don happen. Say don pursue the guy, so he no really wan know anything will happen again. Say make we just forget the issue. Say if the thing no sweet in belly, say no happen because he believe say this guy was made for Arsenal. But at the end of the day, he no get choice. As the manager don take the decision, say him now he no get choice than to support the manager decision. All in prayer be say make the decision no go backfire for Arsenal. You get, because there is no way we say at the end of the season, if Arsenal no qualify for Europe now, many people will come outside and talk say why he sell Aubameyang, this thing will still come back. If maybe Arsenal perform woefully, it will come back on hands. People will come get sense to talk. Say they will not sell Aubameyang, they will not do this one. But if we qualify for Europe, nobody will come outside and talk everything. So at the end of the day, it's the end that will justify the means. Well, but watch us how the season will end. Then they don the official now say Aubameyang don sign 3-year contract for Barcelona, because Barcelona don officially unveil am, and the contract gets £83.4 million buyout clause. Then at the same time, Aubameyang gets 18 months breakout clause. Like after 18 months, if he no enjoy his stay again, he can break out, go meet another team. And at the same time, Barcelona self not like the way when they play after 18 months, then self can sell him off, make him find a square root. So all of them don't agree for the negotiation. He don't sign pen to paper. He don't be officially a Barcelona player. So we all wish him the best. Jack Wilshere sef don come outside come dey praise Martinelli for Arsenal training. Say say this guy will be something great in the future. Say like the way the guy dey play. The guy get that zeal, get that momentum, get that drive. And he's very small. That's a 20-year-old boy. The guy dey play very well. Saying they see great things coming from the boy, and I would even say all of us will they see. Oh, doc say we would like when this guy play more and more years for Arsenal. I just pray say all these people that go grow for Arsenal like 25 years, play together. You get, even Jurgen Klopp said don't come outside talk to this Martinelli. People to watch out for the future. This guy is going to be something great. Remember the face. Say this face. Remember him. So you will see something great in the future. Well, our prayer be that. And no one here say in the next future now they can sell him. That be my own fear. Then at the same time, Lyon president wey they call Jean-Michel Aulas don come outside come confirm the story where they talk say then they plan to carry Lacazette at the end of the summer when his contract run expire for Arsenal. So Baba come outside talk say yes, truly, say them they ready to carry him. And don't forget say Arsenal signed Lacazette from Lyon. £47 million in 2017. The guy come Arsenal. He played all his best. Even though he scored plenty goals, but he tried all his best and give us his best. So they thought they'll come carry the guy at the end of the season. Well, we never know whether Arsenal will still persuade him to make him still stay. I'll be also say because they want to sign Isaac and Dominic Calvert-Lewin, they go say make him find a square root. We never know how all these things will solve. Well, at the end of the summer, everything will be clearer. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top corner of your screen. You will see him. Click on so that I go get all the updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great day and get out.